Hi everybody, Kent Martins here with Explore Scientific. Good to see you on Facebook today. Today we're going to be talking about the Explore One 6x21 binoculars. These are $39.99. They have a 4+ star rating, nearly 4.5 star rating. These are not toys. Who said hi?
Jeff Doss.
Hello, Jeff Doss. Thanks for joining us here. Appreciate the shout out. These are real binoculars. Glass elements. You can see they have a nice, generous optical side where you put your eyes. They have a diopter for your right eye to turn. Or don't turn your right eye to focus for your right eye. They're lightweight. They're rubber coated. 6 power magnification. 21 millimeter objective lens. These right here are a fabulous pair of binoculars. They may look like toys, they may be marketed as toys, but the Explore One binoculars are great binoculars. If you got a kid or an adult who wants a good pair of really inexpensive entry-level binoculars, these 6x21 Explore One binoculars are it. You can pick them up. You know where to go to pick them up. Has a nice large focus knob, so you can focus on your left eye and then focus the diopter for your right eye so you can get both eyes in focus. Comes with a carrying strap for your hand. Very simple. Drop it, no big deal. Comes with a cleaning cloth right there, and obviously a great little nylon protective case so you can keep them protected in your glove box, pocket, under the front seat of your cars, wherever you happen to want to carry them to keep these close to hand. The Explore 6x21 binoculars, a fantastic. None of the paperwork says that they're waterproof or water resistant. So you don't want to, obviously you don't want to submerge them. A light rain, a little sprinkle's not going to hurt them, but you don't want to let them get wet because who does? Hello, Pekka. How are you, sir? So we're going to talk about now the Condor 8x23 binoculars and 10-23, 8x32 and 10x32 binoculars. These are fantastic binoculars, both 4-star products. They're very similar. Let's get the 8s are here, the 10s are there. We'll talk about them both because they're very, very similar. As I said, they are waterproof, just like both of them are. Have rugged roof prisms. Having trouble talking all of a sudden. Twist up eye cups. Come with objective covers and flip down objective covers, and then covers for the eyepieces. Twist up eye cups to make it easier to use with your glasses. Keep you from getting real close to the glass. They're made with back K barium crown glass that is fully multi-coated, meaning all the surfaces of all the glass elements have coatings on them, both the front and back sides. The 10x32s have, and the 8x32s both have 56 millimeters. That's almost 6 centimeters of eye relief, meaning you can get your eyes way out here and are great for use by people who wear glasses. Because of the glare, I can see my own glasses reflecting in my eyeballs because of the bright lights. You know where to go to get these? These are spectacular binoculars. We don't talk about price here on Facebook, but you know where to go to get them, to check them out. These are really great binoculars.
Pekka said he's planning to get 2 pairs of binoculars for his neighbor girl. One is 5 and one is 6.
Well, those Pekka, the ones, the 6x21s, or excuse me, yeah, the 6x21s that we just looked at would be a fantastic choice for young folks. They're not super expensive, but they are, great binoculars. These are not super expensive either. These are under $100, significantly. So these are the 8x32 Condor and the 10x32 Condor binoculars. we're going to put these up and move along. And we're going to see what else we got back here. I know what we've got back here. We've got one other thing that's binocular rated. I'm going to hang on to one of these pair of binoculars while I do this. And somebody's phone ringing in the studio. That is awesome. You couldn't hear it, but we were hearing a little Devo there. So we're going to move on to the Alpine tripod adapter for binoculars. And what this is haven't coughed all day. I get on live TV and I start coughing. COVID, not COVID. Take 2 tests over the weekends, not COVID. So you can attach that to your binocular or to your tripod and then unscrew this little screw right here. Get the shot switch. There we go. Unscrew this little center screw right here. Most binoculars have it. And simply screws on to that little screw hole right there. And I've got it backwards. We'll spin it around. And voila, tighten that back down with the 1/4 to 20 screw. And say it again. What do you want to see? Oh, I see it. So it simply attaches right here with this screw to, this is a standard binocular threading. Most good binoculars have that. And you simply, it's an industry standard, and it simply screws in there just like that. So suddenly you don't have to hold up your binoculars anymore. So you can do this right here. I'll take my glasses off, make it a little bit easier for me. And yep, there we go. And looking at the camera, I think I can focus on the camera here. It's gonna be close. There we go. We're focused on it. I can read the FE 3.5-5.6/20-70 OSS on the front of the telescope. Just the lens, just as easy as can be. And now I'm going to focus the diopter from my eye here, and voila, I have focused these binoculars. Now I can use this, obviously set the legs up a little bit higher, wouldn't have to bend over. Now I can move and follow a bird or whatever it is I'm trying to see. Loosen that up a little bit right there on this entry-level tripod. And you can simply move it around left and right. This is the Alpine tripod adapter. A great addition if you have a binoculars and any standard tripod. It's 1/4 to 20 threading. Fits on any good binoculars that have the center port on them. Most good binoculars do. I'm gonna have to get a cough drop. Started on Friday, and that's the way it goes. Get on TV and you start coughing. So now we're gonna move to the ever popular Explore One land and water habitat. This is an awesome little piece. It comes with, oh, no tweezers. Didn't get the tweezers when I picked them up. It comes with a habitat right here, thus the land and water habitat. It's great for capturing and containing your specimens, say a frog, or if you want to catch some minnows using the supplied net, or a butterfly. It has a 2-power and 4-power magnifying glass as well. Let's see if I can make this work.
Video's playing.
There we go. The video, oh darn it, the video's playing. Okay, we're seeing video right now of this out in a park. And then you can see the 2-power magnifying glass that goes down the top. There's the handheld magnifier to study your specimens. You can see the little tweezers right there and the bug catching kit. And there you go. Great for catching tadpoles or minnows and studying their behavior and movements. If you're really a geek, you can catch mosquito larvae in the spring and summer and watch them rise and fall to the top to breathe air and then go back to the bottom where they try and hide. Great for any kid who loves nature and the outdoors, bugs, things like that. A generous port that you can take this off. The magnifier simply comes off really very easily. The lid unscrews, and it has vent ports for air movement and very generous sized mouth, so you can just return your specimens to the wild back where you caught them when you're ready to release them. This is the Explorer 1 land and water habitat. Great little thing for kids, and in fact adults. You might have a whole lot of fun with this device as well. And the last item we're going to talk about today, talk about this a lot. If you like the sky, you need a Planosphere, Wiltirian, multi-sided, multi-latitude Planosphere. A Planosphere is a map of the sky. The real cool design is this. It allows you to excuse me. It allows you to see what the night sky is going to look like on any given day. So we're going to find January the 31st, and which is right here. January 30th. There's the 31st. Oh, going the wrong way. January 31st at, I'm going to go out at 7 p.m. tonight, just after dark. And that is what the sky is going to look like. You always orient it with north up. So when you face north, north is, you hold it like this. So when you get over your head, north is over your head, pointed towards north. So you can see here's Ursa Minor, the Little Dipper. There's the North Celestial Pole. Ursa Minor is always pouring its water into the Big Dipper right here. And Ursa Major, the constellation is Ursa Major. You can't see it. I'm not looking at the monitor. Ursa Major right here holds the constellation. Is that better? Is that helping? Okay, maybe. Okay, so the Big Dipper is right here in the northern hemisphere in North America. We call it the Big Dipper. Europe calls it the plow or the wagon. I suspect the southern hemisphere can't see it, so they probably don't call it anything other than whatever they call it. One of my favorite constellations, Auriga, is right here. So this is a really good roadmap of the sky. This shows you where the winter Milky Way goes, right through here. Not nearly as prominent and exciting as the summer Milky Way. Yeah, absolutely. If you like the stars, a Planosphere is the way to go. It's a great roadmap. It helps you learn the sky, especially for starting out. This is a multi-latitude one, meaning you can use it for anybody from the equator to 60 degrees north, which is northern Europe. Pekka said this is a must for everybody who has a home observatory or an interest in astronomy in general. It serves as a roadmap to show you where things are. It's multi-sided. So this one is set for the northern hemisphere on this side and the southern hemisphere on this. This is set for the northern sky on this side in the northern hemisphere. And this is set for looking south in the northern hemisphere. So you get much bigger circle of sky because this has half the sky on one side, half the sky on the other. The Wiltirian, multi-sided, multi-latitude.
He wants the large one.
The large one is not for sale. We've talked about it, but it's pretty expensive to make, and the price point, it's custom made. We've talked about them.
About what? 350, 400?
That's probably a pretty good price point right there. Yeah. Yeah. It would be multi-$100 for sure. But,
You get the back either.
And you wouldn't get the bag? Or the back. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you would not. It's just blank on the back, right? This is just made out of foam cord. We used our plotter and cutter, printed this out. It's pretty cool, though. People want one, so, we may do it. Who knows? So anyway, that's... yeah, it had to be in a flat box. Thin, though. Hard to say. Shipping might be crazy, but hey, if you're going to pay the price for the for the big old Planosphere. You're not you go worry about the shipping. You get it because you want it. Anyway, we're going to sign off from the Facebook broadcast today. I'm Ken with Explore Scientific. Take a look at our products. Thanks for watching. Oh, boy.
Hello, Ken.